We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for interior design. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com, log into your account or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat interface where you can start typing. Begin by thinking about the specific aspects of interior design you need help with. You might want advice on color schemes, furniture layout, or even what kind of decor will match your style. Type your question or request into the chat box. For example, you could say, I'm looking to design a modern living room with a cozy feel. Any suggestions on colors and furniture? ChatGPT will then generate ideas and suggestions based on your input. You can refine these suggestions by asking follow-up questions. If the response mentions a specific style or item you're unfamiliar with, ask for more details. You might type, what are some examples of Scandinavian furniture? Or can you suggest specific paint colors that match a cozy modern vibe? As you interact with ChatGPT, take notes of the ideas that resonate with you. You can also ask for step-by-step guidance on how to implement certain design elements. For instance, if you're curious about arranging furniture, ask how should I arrange my sofa and chairs for optimal space and flow. ChatGPT can offer practical tips on spacing, balance, and focal points. Remember, while ChatGPT can provide valuable insights, it's always a good idea to cross-reference with professional interior design resources or consult with a designer if you're making significant changes. This way, you ensure your design meets both your aesthetic and functional needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.